What's up, you guys? It's peytonRoyce here, and I am bringing you on for the ride of your life as I attempt to cook a Betty Crocker cake. This one is super moist vanilla. I know people often don't like the word moist, but I just said it, moist. And so we're just gonna see how it goes. You may or may not know this about me. I'm a terrible cook, can't bake to save my life, but I'm here to improve. You can't improve unless you practice. So here we are. I'm gonna follow the instructions to a T. They say to heat up the oven, and I don't know whether to heat it up on convection or traditional. I'm gonna guess traditional. I don't know if that's right, I'll see how it goes. But we've got 3 eggs, some vegetable oil. Last time Billy told me maybe I messed the cake up because I used 1 pan. Well, this time I'm prepared, I had 2 pans. I present you 2 pans. And I guess we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so the oven is preheating, and as I'm reading the instructions, it says to grease the pan. It doesn't tell me what to grease it with. Do I grease it with butter? I'm gonna grease it with this, but see, these are things that people who don't know how to bake, they need to know these things, Betty. So something to think about. Greasing the sides and the bottom. Complete. Mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl. Oh my goodness, Betty. Does the water need to be filtered? Is tap water okay? These are the things I need to know, Betty. One more question, Betty. Does the temperature of the water matter? Because that was like really cold. And it's about to go in the oven, so I don't know if like the cold water in the oven, if that like is gonna make it not cook properly. These are my questions, Betty. Vegetable oil, 1/2 cup. Now what? Beat vigorously by hand 2 minutes. I can do that. 2 minutes on the clock starts now. Two 8-inch rounds is going to be baked for 28 to 33 minutes. Now, is it going to be 28 minutes or 33 minutes, Betty? Now, one more question, Betty. Do these go in the middle of the oven or on the top or the bottom? Does not specify. I'm gonna go with the middle because, I don't know, that sounds about right. I don't know if I put the timer on the oven properly because I pushed like 30, but this says, now it just tells me the time. It said like 9:50 or something. So I'm just gonna keep a time myself, check it. Let's make some icing in the meantime. I have a question.
Hello?
Hello?
How are you, my darling?
Good, thank you. I have a question for you. I'm making Betty Crocker right now.
Oh, good old Betty.
Good old Betty. And look, I'm up to the icing part. Do I have to make the, is it ready to just go on and smear? Or do I have to like make it? Because it doesn't tell me.
Okay, so you're good to go. You good to just start piping away. Real quick question for you. Is the cake still warm?
The cake's baking. It's not ready yet. But I do know to wait for it to cool down.
So I will chuck that bad boy in the fridge.
In the
for
fridge?
Yeah, because it gets cooler quicker, and then you can ice it quicker, and then you can eat it quicker.
Okay, I get that. Now I've also got, do I pick whipped frosting fluffy white or rich and creamy frosting vanilla?
Ooh. So the fluffy one's going to be more lighter, you know, and then the other one's going to be a bit more dense. So it's up to you. What preference would you like?
Tell me.
Well, me, I go for it's nice dense icing.
Alright, I'm going to go rich and creamy.
Yeah, rich and creamy. I mean, that's just, that's my nickname for you, rich and creamy.
Alright, thank you, my love.
I want to see pictures when it's done.
Yeah, of course, mate.
I've been waiting for this cake for a while.
I know, it's coming.
Okay, so.
Alright, thank you, bye.
Bye.
Moment of truth. Oh, look at them raised. So something about I have to put, I don't have a pick, but please. Oh my gosh. I think I did it. Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh. They're upside down, but I'm okay with it. I've never made it this far before. I'm so excited. So I think they're cooled down. And now I'm gonna schmear, like Billy said. I just schmear that? I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna schmear in 2 layers because I see like people doing that. And I thought I would just give that a go. Honestly, I've never made it this far in baking a cake. Like, it's not burnt and it's actually cooked. And I'm about to cut myself the biggest slice in the world. Oh, it's like too late. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Do you want a slice? Did I cook it right if it all came off like that? All right. All right. Give it a taste. Tell me. What rating would you give me?
Out of what? You gotta be specific, because if I give you a 10, what if it was like out of 100? If I give you like a 5, what if it was out of like 8? You know what I'm saying?
Just give me a rating.
It's a 10, baby.
Of the cake!
Oh,
rating
take
of
the 10.
the
The cake is great. The cake is good. Cake is 10.